Hi, today we are going to see how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. For this, go to Start button, then scroll down and find Outlook. Here, this type of interface will come. Then click on New Meeting. Here you can write the subject of the meeting. I am writing demo. You can set the location. Then you can choose the starting time and end time. Also, you can choose in the date you want. In here, you can write the description of the meeting. And from here, you can send the meeting email to anyone you want. Also, you can schedule the meeting to your preferred time. You can choose the Skype meeting, or you can write the meeting notes in here. You can select the address book, check names, response option. Also, you can show as busy, free, working elsewhere, out of office, or also you can set the reminder before the meeting time. You can also recurrence or repeat the meeting time regularly. You can set the time zone from here, or you can categorize it by blue category, green, purple, orange, yellow. Here you can give the importance of the meeting, high or low. After that, click on Save and copy to my calendar. Okay. Then you can see here is the demo meeting in Thursday. You have set it. So that's how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.